The 2024 London ePrix serves as the final round of the Formula E 2023-2024 season. It's a double header to finish off the championship, and it's realistically a 3-horse race heading into this. So with that in mind, I'm bringing you 5 drivers that you should be looking out for this weekend. So I want to start off with the driver who has been in incredible form recently. I can't not mention Antonio Felix da Costa. He's in 4th place overall in the standings. Realistically, he is too far back. I mean, in theory, he can still win the championship. And I think he's going to do very well this weekend, to say the least. I mean, he's had 3 wins in a row, and he's had 4 wins in the last 5 races in Formula E. Although that being said, this has not been a happy hunting ground for him. He has never finished on the podium in London before, or at least in the London ePrix. So I think if anything's going to stop his incredible form, it's going to be the Excel Centre in London. But, you know, he's in incredible form right now, like I said. A back-to-back win in Portland and a win each in Shanghai and Berlin. So he's definitely one to watch this weekend. He's definitely someone who can, really put the cat amongst the pigeons when it comes to the championship battle. I don't think he's going to be able to catch Cassidy at the top, but you never know. You never know. Stranger things have happened. But yeah, let's just talk about that pair of New Zealanders at the top of the championship, Nick Cassidy and Mitch Evans. I think it's fascinating between those two. There's only 12 points between them, Cassidy ahead of Evans. And if you look at last year's double header, Mitch Evans and Nick Cassidy were the 2 winners of the 2 races. So if anything shows that it can be a good weekend for both of them, it's that really. And to be honest, it's looking better possibly going on previous form for Mitch Evans. He finished 2nd in that race that Cassidy won, and Mitch Evans has also finished on the podium a few times as well on top of that as well. So I think he's definitely with a chance, Mitch Evans, going on previous form. Cassidy just needs to be near the front of the field in both races and he'll be fine. It's a relatively sizable gap that he's got in the championship, but by no means can he take the foot off the accelerator. I would say foot off the gas, but there's no gas in those cars. Get the foot off the electric motor. It doesn't have the same ring to it, does it? Anyway, I'm digressing. Let's talk about the 4th driver on this list, Pascal Wehrlein. Now he's tied with Mitch Evans on 155 points, so he's also just 12 points off of Cassidy at the top of the championship standings. That being said, though, this is not a happy hunting ground for Wehrlein. He has never finished on the podium in the London ePrix. So just like da Costa, he's going to be looking to reverse his poor form at this circuit over the years. And the last driver I want to highlight is Robin Freins. And the reason why I highlight him is because he got 2 second places at Portland. He came so close to the victory in both of the races of that round, I should say. He's not had a win so far this season either. He's got 3 second places in total, so I'd like to see him do well. I'd like to see him get up there. And again, he's another driver that has never finished on the podium here before. And the last time a Dutch driver finished on the podium at a London ePrix was Nick de Vries back in 2021. So yeah, with all that in mind, guys, I think we're set up for an incredible championship decider. I will of course be doing some 5 things reactions to these races through the weekend, both on Saturday and Sunday night. I should be able to do them. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, guys. Who's taking the championship? Cassidy, Evans or Wehrlein? Let us know in the comments below. And for much more motoring and motorsport news, keep it tuned right here to the motoringchronicle.com.